good afternoon. Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making tomato chakli. Okay, tomato chakli. I'll be using 3 tomatoes and half of this ginger and about 6 green chili for one bowl of this rice flour. Okay, I've taken only rice flour. This bowl. To this I have added salt, then till, that is gingerly, white gingerly or black gingerly, anything, and then asafoetida. Okay, then we need to add fresh cream. I have taken this much fresh cream. Now let me grind all this to a smooth paste. Yes, I have grounded tomato, green chili, ginger and fresh cream. Okay, because fresh cream was little thick, it was hard in fact. So I have grounded along with the tomato. Now add this to the flour, only rice flour. I have taken just store-bought rice flour. To that I have added salt, a pinch of sugar, a pinch, not more, just a pinch of sugar, asafoetida and white till. Now make a dough. Make a dough. Take a broad bowl like this. Okay, whenever you make a dough like this, the bowl should be broad. Add water little by little, because otherwise, if water becomes more, then it becomes a problem. So mix it thoroughly. This will be very, very tasty. You please try making this. Very tasty chaklis. The dough is ready. See, let this be this consistency. Okay, not very hard, not very runny. Now take a chakli mold. Here, this is one hole. Okay, take one whole chakli mold. Add this dough to the mold. Add this to the mold and close it. Now make a chakli like this. Either you can make small chaklis or big chaklis, whatever you desire. Take a white sheet, plain sheet, but not a newspaper, or even a white cotton cloth is okay, because I prefer white paper. Here. I have kept oil for heating. So let's wait for the oil to get heated up. The oil is ready. See, this is just, I've checked. Now let me make it sim. Okay, it was on high. Once the oil is hot, make it medium. Now drop the chakli one by one. Be careful when you drop. Be careful when you drop the chakli. Here, it's in sim. In the meantime, I'll make here, drop them in the oil like this. Sometimes one or two may break in the beginning. That's okay, because the chakli also should get adjusted to the oil, so it happens, never mind. So now the oil is not very hot, it's on the sim mode. This chakli will be very tasty. Please try this. Now flip the chaklis, because both the sides it should get cooked or fried. This will be little sour in taste. That's why we add a bit of sugar. So the sugar will balance the taste, but it will be very tasty. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add butter. Once the sound reduces, you have to take it out. The sound is reducing. The color is also getting a nice pink, in fact. Here. Once the oil is heated up, then completely put it back to the sim mode. Okay, now let me just take it out. Now let me drop the chaklis again. So be careful when you drop. Take it from the side and just drop it. Otherwise the oil may splash on you. Yes, allow it to cook. Here, the chaklis, crispy chaklis are ready. Now you can eat it with chutney or just like that. Just I'll show you how crispy it is. Here, very crispy. So these are the ingredients. You have to grind tomatoes, green chili, ginger, and then add it to the rice flour. Okay, and then make a dough, adding salt, a bit of sugar, fresh cream and salt, and hing. Make a dough and make a chakli. Hope you will try making this chakli and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching my channel on YouTube in the name of Indira Ashok Shah. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell button. Okay? Thank you very much again. See you. Bye-bye.